So for lab number 3, also we have 3 parts. So we need to use part design. Okay, so part design module. For this part number 1, go to the sketch and draw any plane. Like if you want to make like this positioning, and just we can use a front plane and draw a circle using origin point, 2 circles, and draw a line like this line, horizontal line, which is tangent to here, like this way. Double click, trim, assign is using dimensions, that is 50, that is R50, and that is 100. That is we don't need because we have radius 50. Okay, and so we draw only 1/2 here. I exit from the sketch, go to the feature, and extrude it. Extrude it again to 100. But I want to show you something. Just right here 100. It's going to only the front side, right? But I want to make it to the both sides 50 and 50. So you can write it here 50, and then you can switch on the direction number 2 and write 50. So then our sketch plane will be in the middle. You can do like this way, but you need to switch on and then write this extra value, but without switching on. So when you have 100, so you can change this one in the direction nearby the direction. Change, we have this one, the blind is just one direction, extruding to the one direction. So just you can use mid plane from the list. Okay, so mid plane means your the sketch plane will be in the middle, and extrusion will be 2 sides, and total extrusion dimension will be this 100. So it will split 50 to front forward and 50 to the back side. Click OK, and you can select. So this is front plane will be in the middle, and here we have right plane. In this right plane you can draw this contour in an extruded to both sides also. Go to the sketch, click the sketch, and draw like this line, straight line. Go back, and that will be like this tangent R, draw it, and close the contour, and draw like this circle. So assign dimensions. There is diameter 50, and this size is 100. And exit from the sketch. So we have like this sketch base, and then go to the extrusion to the both sides, mid plane. The thickness is 40. So 20 to one side, 20 to the another side. So we have like this same. Okay, and here we have to copy this area. So select this face, go to the sketch, click the sketch. So now use center rectangle, and then use this point to draw the symmetric like this rectangle, and we have a dimension for that one. So dimension of this one is 40, and distance from this edge to this edge, distance from here to this edge is 30. So this one. Okay, so how about this length? So we did this bigger than the gray object, so no problem. Without showing this, that will cut. So exit. So now go to the feature and click extruded cut. So it's going to cut this direction, but you can go to this arrow and extend it to make it bigger yellow box. Okay. Click OK. So now we cut with using this rectangle. So part 3 is ready. So just save it. So go to here, new folder, lab number 3. Go inside of the lab number 3 folder, and that's it, part number 1. Part number 1. Save it. Okay, close the file only, and just let's move to the part number 2. So click the new part generation, okay, and go to the sketch. Click the sketch and select any plane. So this is revolved. We need to use revolved boss base and revolved cut features. So this is revolution object, and in here we can draw only this cross section and revolve it along this axis. Okay, for that one we need to draw the center line. Just draw the center line. Just draw the normal line and draw like this shape. And close the contour and make a this side 100. That is 10. That one also 10. Then the distance. So this is diameter, and those are all our diameter. Diameter means the another side also we have same shape and distance between this one to that side. And for that one, just select the center symmetricity line. So this is kind of a radius. So that when you want to put this one as a diameter, so twice bigger than this, so you have to go to another side. So that will show the size value 2 times bigger, same as the diameter. This size is 18 in our case. So this is 10, that's 18, and that one, this one, so the another side. So here is radius, that side is diameter. It's a 36, and the outer shape diameter is 50. Okay, so the another side also same. That is 36. It is 10. 10. So exit from the sketch, go to the feature, and click Revolve Boss. Now it's created. I have to make this view like same like here. So Ctrl 7. So I have to make this one like, you know, half cut thing, like this. The quarter is cutting, half section. So just click section view, and you see it's going to cut like this. So section 1 is cutting with front plane, so you can change the plane. So like this plane is top plane, that is right plane. So here you see there are two planes are selected. So here we can select a top, and then we can switch on the section number 2 as a right plane and click OK. So here the planar and zonal section method available. So planar is, if you select one of them, is just 1/4 left. If you cut like this, 3/4 is left. So we need like this one. So then we can make like this view, whether space button, and then select one edge of needed edge of this kind of dice stone dice cube. Okay, and even we can switch off or switch on again like this way. We can change color of this sectioning area. So edit color and put any other color. Here is different color. Keep cap color. If it's on, that will work. If this one switched off, so that will be a gray. Okay, so save the part as a part number 2, and close the part itself. Okay, so let's make the part number 3. So create new part, go to the sketch, click the sketch. So just make a let's start from the top plane. In the top plane, let's draw the center rectangle and make a rectangle shape, the space for this one, and with a dimension of 130. So another side is 80. Okay, and exit from the sketch, go to the feature, extrude it. So height is 10 millimeter. Click enter. So select top face, go to the sketch, click the sketch, and draw the circle with diameter 50. Exit from the sketch, go to the feature, and you can cut with using this 50. Okay, cut. On top face of this one, just make another sketch and draw one bigger circle, one circle as a edge of this hole, and bigger circle size is 80. And exit from the sketch, go to the feature and extrude it. So now it's extruding as a meat plane, that I want to make it blind. So height is 20. So we can turn on the another side and give another 30. So to make it 20 here, so we need to draw in the middle also, so that's why I put here 30. 20 up, 30 down, because this is 10 millimeter. Okay, so we have like this part now. From the bottom side, we can draw the sketch. Draw like this corner rectangle from an edge up to here. and make a center. Okay, so we don't need a center, and just make the size of this. Size is 15. So this is 15 here, verticals. Exit from the sketch. Just if you see, we draw this one in the bottom side. Just go to the feature, extrude it. So extrusion size is 50 millimeter minus thickness. So 50 minus 10 is 40. So we have this one, and in this face we can do the sketch. So this kind of shape. So that's a slot. So draw the straight slot in front of this edge. We draw like this slot, and then up to this edge. Just draw this and click OK. So now select this side of the slot and then click Ctrl button, and then select another edge from here. So I select two things, one edge and one line. If this line it belongs to the slot. So now we can use a collinearness. I mean, collinear means these two lines are using same line. So at the same line. So they are collinear. They're in one line. Okay, so click collinear. Okay, so now let's add dimension. So the distance between these two lines are 50, and at the center we have a tool also. Control 8 make you like this view. So we have one circle and another circle. Diameters are here written, 4 holes with diameter 16. So 16. Exit from the sketch. So we have now this one, and the depth is 15. Go to the feature, extrude it, 15. Click OK. So we have this now, and here we have a rib like this. So like this rib, and to draw this rib, first we need to draw a line, this kind of slope. Okay, so for that one, so I'm selecting this plane, so which is at the center. In this plane I'm drawing a sketch, just a line from this edge to this edge. That's it. Off and exit from the sketch. Only one line. So for the rib, it's not required to have a contour. So only one line is enough. Just click the rib. So now rib is going to be created. So this is edges of the rib, the yellow thing, yellow lines. But the only thing is this arrow should show inner side. This side, so this should be filled out, and then the distance between these yellow lines are shown here, so that should be 12 millimeter. Click OK. Rib is created. So other side features can be mirrored also. For that one we need to create or find a symmetricity plane. So just check a standard plane. So this plane, that plane. So this plane will be a symmetricity plane. And click mirror. So here you can see various features like mirror face, plane. So as a mirror face, so open this one. we'll choose this one, secondary mirror face. We don't need this. Features to mirror, so select here, and those are features. One by one you can select. Rip, boss extrude 4, boss extrude 3, what else? 2. The second is we don't need. That's it. So just rip, and boss extrude 4, and then boss extrude 3. This vertical line. Click OK. Okay, part is ready. Just Control 8, Control 7, make your isometric view, and save it as a part number 3. Part number 3. Okay. So we need to make another part with diameter 50 and the length of 200 or 300. So in next lab we are going to use them for assembly. So click new part. So go to the sketch and choose any plane and make a circle with a diameter of 50, and go to the feature. Okay, so before that one, so we need to exit the sketch and go to the feature and extrude it, and the height should be 300, and click OK. It's a cylinder, so save it as a part number 4. So these 4 parts are used, will be used for assembly purpose. Okay, so close this one, and okay, see you next time. Thank you very much.